How to sign up in Grindr. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I will show you how you can sign up or create an account in Grindr. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to create an account in Grindr, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Grindr application first. And then if you already have an account, you can simply enter your email or your phone number in order to sign into your account. But if you don't, then tap on the sign up option from the top right. Then first, you have to simply enter your birthday, then your birth month, and then your birth year. After you fill in these details, tap on the next option. The next step is to simply choose an email address for yourself. So just go ahead and choose an email address. After that, make sure to choose your password. So let me also go ahead and do that. Once you enter your password in both of these boxes, all you have to do is tap on the option called create account, and once you do that, it will ask you to verify the captcha. So I'm going to tap on I'm not a robot captcha, and then I'll just verify all this. So make sure to verify the captcha as well. And as soon as you verify the captcha, it will take you to a page where you can simply verify your account after entering your phone number. So go ahead and make sure to enter the phone number that you want to use. Tap on the send code option, verify the OTP code, and your Grindr account will be successfully signed up for. That's all it takes to sign up in Grindr. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.